Welcome to DecisionLender by TCI. This video will introduce you to the automatic counteroffer feature. DecisionLender's automatic counteroffer feature evaluates and compares the values on the requested offer and automatically adjusts the policy limits to bring the loan values within a client's approved guidelines. In other words, automatic counteroffer is a major time saver because it takes off a great deal of manual calculation work for the underwriters. Here's an example. A dealer submits an application via the indirect channel, and all items of deal such as DTI, LTV, etc. are within policy. But the dealer has requested a term that is greater than your policy provides. Typically, an underwriter would get an alert to review the app, change the term, generate an adverse action notice, and send the decision back to the dealer. However, the automatic counteroffer feature can gauge the best counteroffer amount without the need for tedious adjustments. This not only saves time and effort, but leaves less room for human error. How does it work? Automatic counteroffer only runs on the requested V0 application, not on any rehashed versions. If a rule for one guideline fails, automatic counter will provide an offer by adjusting the applicable fields. This will result in the passing of the rule. If an adjustment is needed, the system will create a new offered V1 loan structure. Automatic policy adjustments will only occur when a system creates the offered V1 loan structure. If the automatic counteroffer adjustment results in a V1 where no rules fail, DL4 will assign an auto decision. Manual policy adjustments can be made by users on any loan structure that has not been decisioned, with the exception of the requested V0. Any change made does not impact preferences set for an application. With the automatic counteroffer feature, applications are decisioned faster, and underwriters are freed up to do other important tasks. It opens the door for more auto-decisioning, potentially leading to more closed loans, membership, and higher profitability for your institution. Take advantage of the automatic counteroffer feature and DecisionLender 4. Request a demo today.